Hey guys, we're gonna do making crepes, and we would need a blender and 4 eggs, and we would need a egg and cracker in the blender. Okay guys, we're gonna put 1 cup of water in the blender. Now put milk. And we have the flour, 1 cup of flour, and we're gonna pour it in. It's very heavy, guys. Half teaspoon vanilla,